In this video, we'll learn about method parameters. A method parameter is a value accepted by the method and placed inside these parentheses. A method can also have any number of parameters. For example, if I need to change this method to accept two numbers and return the result of their summation. So instead of creating these numbers, I'll pass here them as parameters. So int x and int y. So this method accepts two parameters of type int. The first one is x and the second one is y. And the returning type of this method is int, so I should include a return statement and here the operation that I should return. But how to pass these values? How to tell the method here that x is 10 and y is 20, for example. If a method is created with parameters, we need to pass the corresponding values while calling the method. So let me go up, and here you can see that there is an error. Expected 2 arguments, but found 0. So because we didn't pass any argument, so these are the parameters, and when you pass the values, when calling the method, are called arguments. Here I'll pass 10 and I'll pass 20. You can see that Android Studio generates a hint that telling us that x is 10 and y is 20. So I don't write anything here. I don't specify x equal to 10, for example. Just put the value directly, 10 and 20. You can see Android Studio will generate these hints. You can see that add numbers will accept int x and int y. Run the program and change the value of the addition, the value of sum. Run, and you can see that the value of sum is 30. We passed these arguments 10 and 20 to the method add numbers that accepts two parameters of type int, x and y. And since its returning type is an integer, we return it inside a return statement, the addition of these numbers.